I'm Toby Price and I race for the Red Bull KTM factory rally team in the Dakar Rally and also the World Championship. Yeah, look, this coming edition of Dakar Rally is going to be a lot longer, and yeah, I think it's going to be more of a challenge. It's Dakar's never easy. It's one of them races that tests the man and machine, and throwing a few extra days on there and a few extra kilometres, it's going to make it tougher. So we'll wait and see. Hopefully it can all go to plan, and just like the longer distance and more time on the bike, there's more risk of things going wrong. So we'll wait and see. Just got to be consistent and be there every day. ASO and FIM's definitely trying to make some changes to make the sport better for us in rally, but I feel some of the new rules they've brought in not kind of going the right direction. But with all these double waypoints and new waypoints and stuff, and split tracks and things like this, it's kind of hard to control and manage that both lines and both tracks are identically the same or in distance and time, so you can really hinder your race a lot just from one wrong call on that and those areas. So it's hard enough to make a good solid road book with one line, let alone trying to make split lines and things like this. So it's difficult. I understand the airbag technology and stuff like this, but we already know that we play a very dangerous sport, and an airbag jacket can make a small difference for sure in some instances, but it's like just throwing a garbage bag on your body, and you're in 30-40 degree heat, and it definitely makes it a bit more of a challenge for you to keep hydration levels up. So it's positives and negatives, but I'm excited as anything. So it's you can never complain. Like, you know what you've signed yourself up for. It's going to be a challenge. Dakar is never easy, but there's no better feeling than that first day of actually taking off and getting into the stages. So it's it's super exciting for us, and 2023 we'll line up and go again. Dakar dominates my whole year basically, so it's a process of about 365 days. When Dakar finished this year, you're already planning for the next one. So this year's Dakar didn't go to plan. We had a bit of a rough finish, my worst finish to date, with a 10th. So that one hurt a little bit, and need to make sure that we don't have that type of result again this coming year. So it's you eat, sleep, think of Dakar, and basically go back to bed, and that's all you think about.